this Binge, a guilt-free 1 gram of sugar. So these are basically healthier gum candy in a way. So this was on sale. You can see the box. It's all damaged and shipping. Yeah, it's on sale. So here's the side panel. Here's the back. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. So they use the resistant dextrin. This is a little bit different than the Smart Sweets. They use a little bit of a different. They use tapioca. This one uses a resistant dextrin. This one also has erythritol as their sweetener. So and stevia. All right, so we're gonna do a quick taste test. Let's open one up. So that's what the bag looks like. It's pretty small. And let's open one up here. Okay, so that's what they look like. There you go. They're not bad. They try to mimic, those old-fashioned cherry blaster taste. It has the it definitely has the cherry sort of smell to it. And there's another one. But they're not as sour. And they're not as tangy as the cherry blasters. I did a review of their the Coca-Cola bottles they have. I actually like the Coca-Cola bottles better than this one. This is not bad, but it's not as zingy as the cherry blasters, but it's pretty good. It does mimic it pretty good, so definitely check it out. And Chris Comics, guys, please subscribe to the channel. And it's a soft jelly-like texture.